In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for data visualization. Using Prezi can elevate the way you present data, making it not only more engaging, but also more insightful for your audience. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can transform your data into an exciting visual story. First, log into your Prezi account and head over to your dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially your starting point. It's where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Create from Template. Prezi offers a variety of engaging templates specifically designed for data visualization and infographics. This means you can choose a template that best fits the theme and personality of your data, ensuring it resonates well with your audience while maintaining visual appeal. Next, it's time to add the main topic for your data story or dataset. Think of this as the headline of your narrative, the central idea that will help tie all the pieces of information together. This focal point is crucial as it sets the stage for everything that follows and provides your audience with a clear understanding of the data's purpose. Now, to bring more depth to your story, create subtopics. These subtopics are invaluable as they represent different data categories or key insights. They allow you to present your information in a more structured and digestible manner. Each subtopic acts like a chapter in a book, helping guide your audience smoothly from one part of your data story to the next. Once you have your topics laid out, it's time to insert charts, graphs, and icons. Visual elements are what make your data come alive. Consider which charts or graphs best suit your data. Whether a bar graph, line chart, or pie chart, choose elements that clearly represent the information you wish to convey. Icons can also be used to draw attention to specific points or to add visual interest. After you've built your visual elements, it's essential to consider how you'll narrate the data journey. With Prezi's unique zoom and navigation paths, you can guide your viewers step by step through the data. Think of it like taking your audience on a tour, showing them the key highlights and insights, one stop at a time. This feature not only maintains viewer engagement, but also helps in emphasizing the flow and connection between different data points. To wrap up the visualization process, adjust the colors, fonts, and layouts. Consistent styling can make a world of difference in how your data is perceived. Choose colors that are both visually pleasing and suitable for your theme. Using fonts that are clear and readable ensures that your audience can easily follow along. And remember, a good layout will emphasize clarity above all. Keep it simple, yet effective. And there you have it. That's how you use Prezi for data visualization. By following these steps, you'll be able to create compelling, informative, and visually stunning data presentations that captivate your audience from start to finish. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.